Hi guys! I finally got a screen recorder, yay! So just telling you, you could add me on Animal Jam. Yeah, you could add me on Animal Jam if you want. You could add me on Paper Oi. I don't really go on it that much though. So yeah, what we're going to be playing today is how about we could play piano tiles? That sounds fun, doesn't it, guys? So yeah, that's how. Yeah, start. I'm not gonna start because, like, yeah. After my stations, not on my station, is finished. Animal Jam. There we go. We can see Animal Jam now. Let's go on Animal Jam, guys. So yeah, Animal Jam's here. No, I'm not Australian. I just accidentally did Australian accents. 1 second, guys. Tell me when it's loaded, even though we're not live, so you can't really. I've got something here, so yeah, and I'm pre-recording. Cheers. You heard me then? Yeah. I've got something to drink. Hooray. I hope you guys enjoyed my first video. It was really cool, wasn't it?